Hi doing guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your 3D printer power cable supply if it burned down, like mine. In my case I have a G-Tech Prosa i3X Pro. But before we start the video, I just wanted to say, be careful when you're working with electricity, be safe and smart. Disconnect any power supply before start working on it. I am not responsible for any injuries. Okay, since we got that out of the way, let's start fixing. Let me show you my wire. It burned down. Let me move the camera real quick to show you. Alright. Well, this is the wire that comes with my printer. You know, they're cheap. I didn't think it was that cheap. But anyways, this is what happened. I replaced this wire twice. It comes from the power box to my board. And this is what happened. It burned down twice. I was printing something that took 16 hours. So I left the printing. When I came back, the wire was already burning. So happened twice. So I was tired. I decided to fix it, do it better, find better wire. After researching, I fix it. Being like 3 months already. I left the printer for like 18 hours. No problem. The wire is thicker, is better, and that's one hell of a quality. So if you have the same problem, I'm gonna show you how to replace it and how to fix it. So let's start it. Oh, but before we start the video, like I said, be careful before you work with electricity. Disconnect everything. Alright, let's start. Let me move the camera. I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay. This right here. This is where my old wire used to be. Right here, right there. This, the connector, the male does the female. They connect right here, does the female, the male, they connect into my board. But this was getting too hot twice, and this will happen. So I replaced it for this. This is a thicker wire. I got it at Home Depot. It's a 14 gauge strength wire. It's thicker. These two right here, they're the negatives. And mine, these two top ones, they're the power. They're 25 volts. And they work great. It doesn't get hot anymore. It works awesome. And I use connectors just in case in the future I need to move them or for some reason burn down again. I can just quick disconnect them and put it back in. And I use a Romex wire for the connectors. This wire fits perfectly in there. Yeah, goes here. Right here goes all the way down. Just go. I just finished printing. It's right here. Just follow. There's this one right here. It goes to the back. Power supply. To the power supply. Let me move the print a little bit. You can see it. Okay, let's go to the bottom. I got the more shit in here, man. Okay, that's the power. This is the wires. That's my power supply. Comes here. On my plug. Comes here. the wires connect here, or these four, this two right here, this one and the one is right next to it is the power supply, the other two are the negatives. So make sure you before you disconnect, mark them in your printer if you know. Well, that's good. Make sure the power is off. Let's come back up. Alright, I'm gonna show you another wire. I got this wire in Home Depot. It's a 14 strand thin wire. This little roll is 25 feet because I'm gonna use it later for something else. So I bought the little spool. It's only $6, so it's not that much. $6, and it is awesome. Did one hell of a job in my printer. See if I can print it. I can see. Can focus. There it is. Awesome. It's thicker and works great. And the other one I use was an electrical wire. It's a 14.2 gauge. It's only 15 feet, but like I said, I bought it. This is also $6, little 15 feet, and I use it because this wire it fits perfect inside the female box right there. As you can see it right there. I use the black ones, and the black ones for power, and the bottom one, the white for ground, be neutral. So yeah, can I use this one in the future and something else? So that's where I got it. It works great. Like I said, I got 3 months already. It works awesome. Now I don't have to worry about the printer burning down. I'm gonna show you what I did. Alright. First, you're not too familiar with the printer and all the setup. I got a lot of shit here. But what I did, take a few pictures before you remove anything. And what I did, you can tell these little sticky notes, little papers. What I did, I marked the wires, which one was the power, negative, and my stepping motors. I marked which ones were the C motors, the J and the X motors. So I marked them here before I start removing anything. I put in a little sticky little paper and marking the paper what it was. Like, can you tell? Let's see. Like right there, so I'm making blue one or red one, whatever. You can recognize the wires when you take them off. Mark every single wire, then take them off. Take your board out. That's what I did. And you're gonna need the soldering iron. You're gonna need a soldering iron to remove it. And if you have one of these, this is like a little vacuum soldering iron or something. It works perfectly. It's awesome. I got it on eBay for like $1. And just this iron, you just put it right next to it, whatever you're gonna do, and sucks all the core flux out of it. You can remove it, and then when you remove this, take out the little prongs that are inside. Take them out and cut little few pieces of this. Where the length you want it to be. See? I think this one they're like 2 inches, both of them, and this one they're 1.5 inches. I put them in. They fit perfectly. They fit perfect inside the little boxes, you can tell perfectly. Then put them back in, start soldering from the back of the board, from the back. When you pull it out, then you put it back in, put your connectors, your male, your female, and your wires. Then when you're good, all you have to do is connect your power supplies to the back of the box, bring it back over here, and plug them in, and you are good to go. I think I cut these ones, they're 3 feet. The length of the wire, I did 3 feet, and I kind of like I coil this in there in case something later in the future, something happen. If I burn down again in here, I can just disconnect these ones, cut pieces, and put another connectors, and I got enough wire to do it. But yeah, it works great. Oh, you also need connectors. I got this little box in Harbor Freight for like, I think it was $8, I think. They got everything you need. What you will use for the power supply in the box will be these ones. This one right here. Got this one there for. There's 16. No, it's not 16. It's this one. It's this size right here. 16-14 gauge. Number 10. There's the one I just showed you. This one. And my G-Tech, this is the one I use. And the power box in the bottom. Now for these connectors, I got these ones in Lowe's because they got the little coating, the old cover, so they're nicer than the ones from Harbor Freight. But you can go for the ones in Harbor Freight. And I would recommend to buy these ones because they're not gonna touch. If they touch, they got this plastic to protect them. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you can put everything back up, and you're pretty be done. Now this wire doesn't get hot anymore. They work great. I marked them. They're awesome. I made 2 sets. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Yeah, I made 2 sets. When I cut these wires, I think the length I did was 3.5 feet. All these 4 rows, I cut 4 pieces at 3.5 feet, and I put 2 together, and I put the shrinking tube in 2. I put them in, and I marked them. One was ground, one was the ground and positive, ground positive, and then here in my printer, like I said, is a G-Tech, and mine, the 2 positive is the top ones, and here, and mine, the 2 top ones with the positive, and they're 25 volts in mine. So if you're running yours, you can grab a multimeter before you turn it off, disconnect the power, use a multimeter and test the power coming out from your power box on the bottom. If you want to know how much voltage you got, it's minus 25. That's the 2 power supplies, and I stopped the problem. Works great. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, let me know and I will try to answer it the best as I can. Happy fixing.